Hello, my name is Amy Marks. I'd like to welcome you and your student to MME and especially to pre-algebra class. I've been teaching since 1991. For 16 years I taught elementary school before making the move to MME and teaching middle school math. I'm the mother of 3 children, well, adults now, but all 3 went through the Minnetonka schools. So I have that viewpoint as a parent as well as a teacher. I'd like to share a little bit about the pre-algebra class with you. If there are any questions you have that remain unanswered after this presentation, please feel free to email me at amy.marks@minnetonkaschools.org. The first thing I'd like to talk about is homework. Your child can expect between 10 and 20 minutes, usually 10 and 15 minutes of homework most nights. The homework assignment, along with handouts and materials and references, are available on Schoology. We do typically have work time during class as well, so this 10 to 15 minutes is beyond the class time allowed. If your student is absent, they should check Schoology to see what resources are available and what the assignment was for the day. I'll talk later about morning help opportunities and after-school help opportunities in the event that your student is confused or needs some extra help with the homework. Our primary curriculum for the pre-algebra course are the 7th grade Minnesota mathematics standards. We do use the Holt-McDougall Mathematics Course 3 as a reference, and I'll be showing your student how to access their textbook online, along with the videos and other resources that are available to them should they need a little extra instruction on a topic. As mentioned previously, I will be showing the students how to access the book, but this is kind of a general outline should they forget. Students who are absent or miss a class for another school activity often do find the online textbook a helpful resource. There are video tutors available for every example in the textbook, along with a little practice quiz for every lesson. It's usually, 4 to 7 questions. And if a student misses a question, it'll reference which example they should take a peek at. So it is a valuable resource, especially, as I said, when students miss a class. Occasionally, a student may struggle on a test or not be satisfied with their performance. Retakes for any quiz or test, anything in the 70% category, are available. The retake forms will be available on Schoology or in the classroom. There are directions at the top of every retake form detailing what needs to be done in order to retake the test. Generally, the student has a practice to complete, needs to make sure all their homework is up to date, and then meets with me to schedule a retake. Retakes can earn up to a ceiling of 90%. So it's generally worth a student's time and effort to retake a test if they aren't sure of the standards. Should your student need additional help, we have lots of help available. Before school and after school, every day there's help for your child. Before school, there's a math help lab Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday with a paraprofessional in the media center. On Thursdays, teachers are available so they can come right into my room. After school every day, from 4 to 5 p.m., the media center is open, staffed with paraprofessionals again to help kids with homework and with their questions. This is a list of the unit topics we'll be covering this year in pretty much the order we'll be covering them. The slide that follows has a more detailed view if you're interested in that. Again, our main source are the Minnesota Mathematics 7th grade standards. So that's our pre-algebra curriculum in a nutshell. Again, if you have questions for me or specific concerns about your child, please don't hesitate to email. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Excited to work with your child. And again, welcome to MME. Bye.